Is iToolMax.com the ultimate destination for affordable, high-quality tools, or is it just another sketchy website trying to cash in on unsuspecting buyers? That's the big question we're tackling in this video, and the truth lies somewhere in the middle. iToolMax.com presents itself as a reliable all-in-one source for garden, automotive, and power tools, promising attractive perks like free shipping, a 30-day risk-free trial, and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. At first glance, it looks polished and trustworthy, but when you dig deeper, things start to get murky. The site claims it's been operating since 2019, but a quick domain check shows it was actually created in 2022. Not a good sign for a company trying to appear long-established. It also lists warehouse addresses in the US and Australia, but when we searched them on Google Maps, there was no real trace, raising doubts about their physical presence. Even the social media accounts tell a confusing story, with admin locations linked to China, Venezuela, and the US on Facebook, and only China on Instagram, making it hard to pin down who's really behind the brand. On the surface, customer reviews hosted on Judge.me seem legit, with over 640 verified buyers giving mostly positive feedback. But then you see the Trustpilot score just 3.1 out of 5 from 385 reviews, which paints a more balanced picture. Some buyers were genuinely happy, especially one who praised their 3-in-1 trimmer as user-friendly and a noticeable upgrade. But others had a very different experience. One never received their order or any response from customer service, while another got a damaged item with missing parts and was bizarrely sent a random YouTube link instead of actual help. So is iToolMax a scam? Not quite, but it's definitely not a platform you should trust blindly. It shows some signs of legitimacy, but the red flags like false launch dates, unverified addresses, and inconsistent customer support are too significant to ignore. Overall, iToolMax is a mixed bag that leans toward being risky, especially if you value transparency and reliable service. If you're considering a purchase, proceed with caution, or better yet, consider safer and more established alternatives.